Greenburgh Central School District community. I'd like to give you a couple of highlights and upcoming events just so that you are aware, and also you can look out for dates so that you may attend some important workshops that are coming up. First, I just want to share with you that yesterday I received a letter from the New York State Department of Health. There are to date over 70,000 confirmed influenza cases in the state of New York alone. We are still in the height of flu season despite the beautiful weather today. This afternoon in your child's book bag, you will find a letter from me detailing tips that you can do to help prevent the spread of the flu. I also put in the letter precautionary measures that we took here at the Greenburgh Central School District. Just so that you know, community, during the February break, our custodians sanitized using a high-powered sanitizing machine, which we borrowed from the White Plains School District to sanitize all classrooms, all offices, and all touch points. And by touch points, community, I mean door handles, doorknobs, cafeteria table, and latches to our restrooms. We went as far as also sanitizing the seating area of our school buses. So please check your child's book bags and again look at our social media platforms to review my letter in its entirety. And should you have any questions about your child's health, we ask that you please seek out your child's pediatrician. I want to follow up on a letter I sent you last week with regards to our safety and security here at the Greenburgh Central School District. I want the community to know that I'm currently in conversation with a certified child psychologist who could possibly provide workshops to our parents and to our community on ensuring the social and emotional wellness of our children. I think this workshop is important and this workshop is timely. So we ask that you please look out for flyers for this workshop, and once it's offered, I ask that you please come out to learn how we can ensure the welfare of our children, socially and emotionally. Addition, I want to share with you that we will have our first parent information session on our new program, Accelerated Learning Program, ALP. On March 19th, we invite elementary parents to come out and learn about our new Accelerated Learning Program, and I believe we're going to engage in fruitful conversation. Lastly, I want to thank our community for viewing our presentation, Draft 1 of the 2018-2019 school budget. We will have Draft 2 presentation ready for you next week. So we ask that you go onto our social media platforms to see exactly which date it will air. And we continue to encourage you to send in your email asking questions about our 2018-2019 budget. Thank you so much for your attention, and please look out for those important dates and those important workshops and those important presentations. Thanks again for your continued support.